What? Quit that. Really? What are you saying, Kumar? What's that mean? Say mum. Mum. Say mama. Ma. Ma. You say ba. How about daddy? Daddy. I love you. Love you. Love you. Yeah. No. You silly. Quit that.